firstly, welcome to IWM Buzz. Big congratulations for the Broken but Beautiful season 3. कितना
Thank
excitement
you.
है because fans are loving it. बहुत trend कर रहा है even on social media, YouTube and everywhere. बहुत सारे buzzes है. So what do you want to say to all the fans who are loving this trailer?
I mean, बहुत excitement hai, and I just want to say thank you so much for all of the love you guys are giving me and the trailer and the show. I hope जितना excitement अभी है जब show release हुए तब भी excitement हो. I wish you guys like the show and I hope it brings a smile to your face.
So आपका फर्स्ट रिएक्शन क्या था जब आपने ब्रोकन बट ब्यूटीफुल सीजन 3 का स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ा? बिकॉज ऑलरेडी ब्रोकन एंड ब्यूटीफुल 2 सीजन आ चुके हैं और फैंस काफी ही पसंद किया है वो बाकी 2 सीजन को भी.
When I read the script, so obviously I knew what Broken 1 and 2 were. क्योंकि my future sister-in-law Anuja was a part of Broken 2. तो मैंने उसके साथ दोनों देख लिए थे. So I was a big fan of the show. And then when I read the script, it was intense love, and it got me very, very excited. And there were some twists and turns, and I was like, "Mujhe Rumi play karna hai," so badly. I loved her character. I loved Augustia's character. I loved my best friend. Like, it kind of the script kind of flowed really well, and then we workshopped it, and
Okay, so Rumi का एक dialogue है that she is a warrior. So in real life, Sonia भी वैसी है. She is like a warrior too.
In some senses, yeah, I do relate to that. But Rumi is definitely a little more of one.
Okay, so how was your first reaction when you met your co-star Siddharth Shukla? So आपने पहले से कुछ assumptions रखे थे कि वो ऐसे होंगे और जब आप रियल में मिले तो वो अलग निकले? Something like
Actually,
that?
मैंने decide कर रखा था that I wouldn't watch any of his interviews or read any articles or even watch Big Boss because I didn't want to have preconceived notions जब मैं जाऊँ. I wanted to judge him for myself. So ऐसे कोई ख्याल लेके नहीं गई थी मैं. But I met him at the teaser for a little bit. And then, the more I got to work with him, he's a great guy. It was a lot of fun to work with.
Okay. So जब बात किया जाए OTT प्लेटफॉर्म की, there are many shows, there are many web shows जो कि आ रहे हैं with beautiful scripts also. So क्या कोई competition लगता है आपको? Because lots of competition is going on. So do you feel any competition?
Honestly, I just want to work. So abhi competition ka, I haven't even thought about it, to be honest. I'm extremely excited. I mean, the OTT platforms have brought up such incredible content. You know, it's given opportunities to not just actors, but writers, directors, you know, content creators in general. So I don't necessarily view them as competition. I want to work with them.
So how much you enjoy doing the web show?
I enjoyed it a lot. Something that's different in a web show than, for example, a long format movie or something is that you get to dive into the characters a little bit more, you know. 2 घंटे की movie होती है versus a web show is much longer. So you get the storyline a bit more, you get to go into the person's world a little more. So that's enjoyable.
Broken and Beautiful ने part 1, part 2 ने एक benchmark बना के रखा है. But season 3 को लेकर भी काफी ही बस है. पर आपको लगता है कि लोग comparison करते हैं उसमें कुछ problem ना हो? Because always people compare with season 1 and season 2 related to the story.
Of course. I mean, log to karenge compare, but you know, we got lucky because Rumi and Agastia's story is just so different. And I hope wo logo ko dikhe, and I hope that they enjoy this roller coaster of a journey.
Okay, so what is it? Real life में बात किया जाए तो वो कौन सी चीज है जो broken है but beautiful है आपके life में personally?
I don't know. Great question. जो broken है but beautiful है. जो broken थी वो मैंने fix कर दी तो अब broken नहीं है. I don't know. I don't know how to answer that, to be honest. I'll get back to it if I think of something.
Sure. So as we know you're the good dancer, good performer, so we also seen promo में कि आपको परफॉर्म करने का एक अपॉर्चुनिटी भी मिला था जहां आप एक स्टेज पे डांस करते हुए नजर आ रही थी ट्रेलर में. सो वो अपॉर्चुनिटी को आपने कैसे यूज किया where you openly danced?
You know, I didn't know कि dance number होगा, and the second I found out, I was like, thank God. I love dancing, तो मुझे बहुत मजा आया था, and I was so excited when I heard the Ghana. I was like, this is it. And then we went to rehearsals, and you know, I've danced all my life, but I've never, and I filmed it also, but ऐसा कभी film नहीं हुआ था. Like background dancers, lighting, like so much was happening. But I tried my best and I used it as much as I could. They only shot for 1 day, 1.5 days, I think. And I was like, please, can we shoot the dance number for like 4 or 5 days?
Okay, so Sonia, as we know कि OTT प्लेटफॉर्म में हमें कई सारे इंटीमेट सीन देखने को मिलते हैं, so वो सीन को करना कितना मुश्किल हो जाता है आप लोगों के लिए, या कितना आप कंफर्ट जोन में जाके वो शूट करते हो?
You know, it is work at the end of the day, and obviously if you're like friends with your co-star, it becomes easier. You can talk through it. So and we always had Priyanka, our director, you know, she would guide us, and we all kind of worked as a team, and it's choreography based, like kissing, जो भी intimate scenes होते हैं वो choreography होती है. Like you stand up, so Rumi तुम यहाँ से यहाँ जाएगी, फिर तू यहाँ बैठेगी, फिर तुम दोनों kiss करोगे, फिर तुम वहाँ जाओगे, you know, so it's as good as it looks, it's still work.
Okay, so Broken and Beautiful season 3 fully pandemic के दौरान shoot हुआ है. So how much precaution you guys have taken? क्या कभी डर लगता था pandemic में shoot करना?
You know, डर का वक्त ही नहीं मिला. We were just shooting every day for a while, and of course it was tough at some point, you know. As a unit, we were spending so much time together, and a lot of families were affected. A lot of the crew's family were affected. My own family had COVID at some point during the shoot. So we all had that stress, but you know, हम एक परिवार जैसे बन गए थे, and we all supported each other, and we somehow got through it unscathed.
So lastly, any message for the audience who are eagerly waiting to see Broken but Beautiful season 3?
I hope you guys are all staying safe and you're staying at home. And I really, really hope that you guys enjoy the show. And thank you so much for all the love you've been giving me. I see everything, I do. And I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm so grateful.
Thank you, Sonia. All the best for the show and for the further project. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.